Okay, let's do a quick take on crypto, alright? And we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, this is 1 day time frame. Um, from what I see, this is actually a bullish formation. Yeah. So we have consolidating up from this previous leg. I guess if we do a quick Wyckoff formation, that we entered a distribution. We have a distribution right here, and this, we have a distribution, and um, we went down significantly from the from the distribution, which is on phase E on the Wyckoff accumulation. I'm gonna show you the picture of it. Yeah. I think we have a distribution number 2. We have something just like this one. We have a Wyckoff distribution number 2. We have this thing right here, right? So I guess we already entered the phase D, and we're entering the phase E of the Wyckoff distribution, because we already broke the trend and already leaving the support lines, which is what happens over here. This is the support lines right here. This whole area, this is the support lines, and we broke through the support lines, and I can safely assume that we already passed already on the phase E zone, right? The phase E zone, and then we're looking around 5 waves down. But right now I can only count waves from here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna stop at 5, and then we're gonna consolidate. So one more time, just sideways movement, I guess, for about a month or two. What I'm looking for, if this ever goes up, just remember that we have a supply zones over here, right? Easy supply zones. As in right now, this is bullish. We have a divergence over here, right? We have a divergence, and yeah, I can see it coming up, but it has to break this support line. I mean, supply zones. I think the supply zones over here. Yeah, could be from here. But let's see though. I'm not really sure if this is the supply zones. And the lower time frame, I guess we have to look at on further down. Okay. Yeah, we're leaving the range, creating a bear flag, and dip down. So I guess there's some multiple supply zones, right? We have this. Yeah, I'm still a little skeptical doing technical analysis on crypto, because it all basically depends on the Federal Reserve decision. It's more related with the dollar. So I suppose that um, if there's anything that affect Bitcoins, it's probably gonna be the inflation factor, as in right now. Inflation factor, and then check out the XY, the US dollar currency index, right? Oh my, okay. So we have a bull flag. This is a very strong bull flag over here on the DXY, the US dollar index. right? Creating a bull flag and then not a bull flag. I guess, yeah, I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen on this one. I guess the XY is heading up again. If this is going up, the Bitcoin should go down. Most of the time, the Bitcoin will go down. But as in for now, this is a bull flag right here. Very bullish. Bull flag after bull flag after bull flag. Okay. I'm assuming this is gonna go sideways. At best. Yeah. Everything is gonna be sideways at best. But I just wanna let people know that this is a bullish formation. Very bullish. Cardano jumped by itself. But how long is the bullishness gonna happen? Just take a look at the supply zones. That's it. A small jump, but I'm not gonna be investing on crypto. I'm still gonna wait for one more dip. So the dip that I'm looking for, think, is when it's back somewhere at this. Let's look at the weekly, right? Well, let's see where it jumps like pretty significantly. Here, this one right here. This is the zone I'm looking for. This whole demand zone of the weekly time frame, right? The weekly time frame and the price range should be around 12,000. Yeah, 12,000. Around 12,000 and 10,000. That's the demand zone I'm looking for on the weekly. Yeah, it could be, yeah. Because basically, like, this is the range, right? This is the range, and it broke at the range. It broke the range over here, so there should be a demand over here. Let's look at the monthly. The monthly demand zone is, yeah, somehow pretty accurate. So we're looking at the weekly demand zone. This is what I'm looking for right here. This drop right here. If it goes down further, uh, there should be some demand zone down here or down here, but I'm expecting a bounce right here at the 12,000 mark, and then it might go sideways for a while, maybe even a year or 6 months, something like that. And then for Ethereum, same thing. I'm looking at the weekly, so this is the demand zone that we're looking for. All right. So we have two demand zone on Ethereum. Uh, guess somehow it's somewhere right here, and now we're at this weekly resistance, right? Somewhere right here, and then this this is this could be the best demand zone, because this was the range, and then it broke up the range, creating a bull flag right here, right? So this could be the perfect demand zone. It I'm a little bit not too sure, but I'm pretty sure this is the range, and we broke out of this, and then we might see it down here. Let's say, like, because I'm just gonna invest this, I'm not gonna trade this. We might see it somewhere, Ethereum on 255, 205. But I'm gonna start investing somewhere at the 500 and the $300 range, somewhere in between. So let's say I'm a I'm a big I'm a big supporter of a dollar cost averaging on crypto. I don't really want to trade it because it's very unpredictable. I would say very unpredictable due to lack of volume and most of technical analysis. Like they mostly fail. Maybe it's just me. Like I'm not really good with the crypto trading. And also maybe the forex trading as well. I'm not too good at it. Uh, but but yeah, this is the weekly time frame on Ethereum. This is the zone I want to be buying at. Like these two zones right here, 255, the 200s, and the 500 to the 300 zone. And then Cardano. Cardano looks very bullish, but it could get tricky. It might go like this, right? So this is the thing that you see right now, and then it's almost the exact same thing you see over here, right? And then see what happened. This is why I don't want to trade crypto right here. I look at it as bullish, and then look what they did. Like they can just drop down all of the sudden. I'm not really a big fan of trading crypto. Um, yeah, it's looking pretty bullish right now. Let's see if I can backtrack any more Cardano. ADA Kraken usually has a backtrack. There you go. Alright, this is from the Kraken uh, a brokerage. So we might see Cardano on the 20-cent zone right here, because this was the range. It broke the range, becoming a demand zone right here, and then this is the bull flag. Keep going up. So right now we're at this demand zone, the bull flag, this bull flag right here, right? We're at this bull flag demand zone, as in for now. And then the range that I want to buy Cardano's, hold on, let me make it accurate. Okay, this is the zone I want to buy Cardano. If it's not gonna reach this zone, uh, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go at this level right here. I'm pretty sure, but it's gonna be in a very short time, and they're gonna push it back up to this zone again. So 20 cents and 12 cents on Cardano, and then Litecoin. It's the second generation crypto. See, from what you see in the bull market, it didn't go as much. It didn't really go. Yeah, it kind of died. Um, I wouldn't recommend like investing in this. Uh, XRP. Let's see XRP. XRP kind of died too. Yeah, I'm not recommending this. I would recommend Matic though. Matic is pretty good. Okay, so we were back at the demand zone. This was the demand zone, right? We're back at the demand zone and then creating another demand zone over here, right? It broke out pretty high, but on crypto, don't chase it. Just leave it alone until it gets really cheap, and then you buy it. As in for now. Matic. Yeah, this is the zone I want to buy probably. Maybe not. I'll wait until what's Bitcoin's gonna do. And then what else am I looking at? Dot is a good one too. So we're at this demand zone, right? We're back over here. Um, but I can't predict anything. I think this is very bullish, as in for now. Yeah, this is very bullish. So is the SPY and also QQQ and Dow Jones looking bullish as well. So but let's see though, because from what I see, like over here with the Dow Jones, right? I called this before. We're below the 200. We're below the 50 moving average right here on the daily. We're below the 50 moving average, right? I'm not too sure if this is gonna be a bear flag or a bull flag to the upside. I'm not too sure. It needs more time to consolidate, right? So so I'm guessing we're gonna see Bitcoin going up just a little bit, but I'm not too sure. This might be a bear flag right here to the bigger downside, right? Because we rally and then we got rejected on the 200, and then now we already pushed down way below the 200 moving average. So I'm guessing like we still have one more downside, which I don't know where, but it should be right here. There should be a demand zone right here. We have a gap, right? There should be a demand zone somewhere right here, or we might push down even further, right? I'm not too sure, but we can only focus on what's really ahead of us right now, like 1 day or 2 days ahead of us right now. But from what I'm seeing, uh, this is the zone that we're gonna be looking at. I can't predict anything right now. This is the zone that we're gonna be looking at. Maybe some type of bear flags. We have a supply zone over here, um, and we're still below the 50 moving average, right? On this Dow Jones, and the SPY is the same thing too. QQQ is the same thing as well. We get rejected on the 50, right? And then we got rejected here on the 8. Yeah, you could say you could reject it on the 50s too. But I'm assuming there's be one more downside, a big one. But let's see though. I'm not too sure. There should be some catalyst. That's the fate. The Fed's gonna set sometime in the nearest future. Right? Okay. I just show you all of my insight on crypto and where I wanna buy it. So if you have any questions on crypto, man, this thing is very unpredictable. Just an honest opinion. Very unpredictable. You can only rely on the shorter time period. Like, man, even if I put my money on it, like, I don't think I'm gonna put over 10% of my capital on crypto. But unless you wanna YOLO it. Like, like let's say you're building with a very small capital and then you just go heavy on crypto, like just to make a bigger capital. I would do it. Just YOLO it. I mean, like, I'm talking about like 5,000 to $10,000 range, because you got nothing to lose with 5,000, $10,000 range, because you can get it like very easily, right? It's not that hard to make like 5,000, 10,000. But if you're talking about like $50,000 like and up, and that's like almost all of your money, don't do it. Uh, this is the range where you put like 5 to 10,000 if you want to make a bigger capital. But like I said, like I already showed you where I want to buy. If you want to follow it, that's fine. If you don't want to follow it, that's fine too. But just be patient with crypto. Like my only take is be patient, like be very patient. Yeah, the three that I'm looking, that I always keep a watch on, is these three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. And then the rest is, I don't know, it's kind of like gambling. Yeah, all right, that's all I can say on crypto.